If you want to know if a girl likes you, start by looking at her body language. A girl who's interested in you will probably use a relaxed, open posture when she's talking to you, with her body facing towards you and her arms at her sides, not crossed in front of her chest. Eye contact is another major clue, so pay close attention to whether she locks eyes with you often. If she's shy, you might catch her stealing lots of quick glances instead. You might also notice her smiling a lot, fiddling with her hair, or mirroring your movements and expressions when you talk to her. A girl who likes you will want to be close to you, and she might look for excuses to casually touch you, brush up against you, or give you hugs. Aside from body language, look out for other clues like lots of compliments and friendly teasing. It's also a good sign if she randomly texts you sometimes to start a conversation, shares a funny picture or link, or just says hi. If you think you see the signs that she's into you, try striking up a conversation with her or asking her out on a casual date. If she seems excited to hang out with you, then she probably likes you.